difficult, but it would stop. Hello, I'm Peter. I'm 55 years old. I'm from a small place called Borne in Holland. My passion is work on cars, barbecue, riding bikes. I had an accident in 2012 where I lost a part of my hand. Then I get complications of CPRS. CPRS is a nerve disease and you get pain, only pain. And then they ask me, what kind of pain do you have? I always say, get to your hot water tub in the kitchen, put it on the hottest, and then put your hand under it, and then what you feel, that pain, 24/7 a day, 365 days a year. And then in the end we made the decision with my doctors and the medical team to amputate. And then you have to start your life from scratch, building up again and see what your life is bringing you. But you must find your way. I met the BionIT Labs team in Germany at the OT World in Leipzig. Then there was a guy, he came to me and he said, Peter, can you come with me? I want to show you an hand from Italy. So I met the guys from BionIT Labs, talked to them. I asked them, is there a possibility that I can try that hand in Holland a week at home to do my thing with the hand? Okay, at the time the hand was not available in Holland, but after my testing of the hand, I thought this is my hand, everything that I want from a hand. And then I asked my medical team from the UMCG in Holland, is there a possibility that we get the hand to Holland? And now in the end we get a new importer in Holland. Everything what I searched in a hand was there. The multi-articular fingers, the wived, the opening, and the commands. It's open, it's closed, it's so simpleness, it's reliable. The hand shoe is great. For the medical team, I help other people. I do for the people with the same disease what I had CPRS. I give them advice, talk to them. My advice is that you don't give up. You keep on trying, life will find its way, you will adapt, and you will be happy again. That's the only thing that I can say. Life is precious.